northeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Delaware County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chipstone, or 10 miles southwest of Gloucester City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Deptford, Voorhees, West Deptford, Lindenwold, Belmore, Woodbury, Berlin, Shulcust, Paulsboro, Magnolia, Westfield, Woodbury Heights, National Park, Swedesboro, Brookline, and Audubon Park. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 3. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 9 and 21. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 346 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 35. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Delaware, and Philadelphia, in the following counties: